this is a great question. I love it. So, for most manufacturers, which parameters from the machines are like the relevant ones? Jacob already has a great answer in mind, so I'm going to let him take it from here.
Yeah. So start small. Start small, but there are four major ones. Four major ones. Utilization, right? Is the machine running or not? Can have so much power across a lot of different continuous improvement initiatives that you want to involve. It's all about, is the spindle running? So execution, is the machine running or not? Utilization, availability, is all different words for basically the same thing. Parts, when was the last time the machine completed a cycle? Because now you have all the components outside of production standards and quality. That's OEE. Like, you're getting really close to having OEE with just those two data points. A third is alarms. So you really want that contextually rich information about why the machine is not doing what it's supposed to do. And the machine can often tell you a lot about kind of what isn't being done around it to allow it to keep running. And a fourth, and this one's really, really important for automating a lot of your factory floor systems, and that's the name of the thing that the machine is supposed to be doing, the program or the part number. If you can get that off the control, you can drive a ton of continuous improvement initiatives around making sure your parts are produced on time, efficiently, and getting better at doing it over time without any operator input.